So yeah, we're at the Cliffs of Moher. I don't know how to pronounce it. Moher. And it's super windy and super foggy, but it's starting to clear up just a little bit. I have no idea where Ben and David are. Oh, I see them over there. But yeah, I'm gonna head up that way. And there's some cows here and they're really cute. But yeah, hopefully we can, I can kind of see the cliffs. I'll show you just a little bit of them. There's the cows, and then if you look beyond, there's the cliffs. So we're gonna get a little bit closer and see if we can see better. Hello everyone, I'm standing in front of a very cute mural. It's on a chip shop, so we just got some fish from this place. We're in Galway, by the way, for like 2 hours, so we just got some fish from, like some cod from this little fish and chips place, and now we're getting chips from a different place because that's what they recommended. So after that, I think we're gonna get ice cream later, and then I don't know what else we're doing because we're here for 2 hours and that's it. So yeah, but we'll see.
This is like so unique.
Just starving. I'm gonna eat the fries anyway. Oh wait, do you guys want?
How was the fish and chips, boys?
It was good. Not as good as Auburn, but very, very good.
Very, very good.
Said.
Now it's
Yes.
raining, so.
It is a little bit rainy, so we're gonna pop our raincoats back on.
But we're gonna go walk around for like another hour. I can't see myself. Another hour. And then we're getting ice cream. What? Couldn't even see it because I'm like down here. But yeah.
I think one thing that we're definitely
That's the
seeing
pan.
though with Dublin and Galway, well, Dublin especially, is that there's a lot of tourist traps. There's still the quality is still there, right? But
It's Lay's.
it's also raining. Which was beautiful.
Pretty interesting weather for today, I'd say.
You know what? I thought that
away.
made it more memorable and made it really, really fun.
It's like how I feel like it's so when you imagine like Ireland.
Asian supermarket.
I was recording myself. Hello. We're packing up. It's our last morning here in Dublin. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the video. It was very fun. I actually really love Ireland now. I didn't even know like anything about this country really. Like I knew a little bit, but I've learned a lot and it's beautiful. So I definitely want to come back and see more places, especially like the countryside and stuff. So anyway, thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed, and I'll be back with another vlog soon.